Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
City Intimation is the official notification assigning your Neet exam city after application verification. This process does not change your eligibility. It only informs you which center city you will travel to for the exam. You must check the official portal using application number and date of birth to view city details and print the intimation. The portal publishes city intimation during a fixed window, usually announced at least 15 days prior to the exam, and the window and timelines are posted on the same homepage. Log in with your application number and date of birth on the Neet portal to access the city intimation page. If a change request is allowed by the authorities, submit it within the portal's one-time window and upload the required documents, such as ID proof and domicile certificate, in PDF or JPG format not exceeding 500 KB each. Pay any applicable fee, commonly Rs1,000, using net banking, UPI, or card, and save the payment receipt and acknowledgement number. Incomplete uploads or unpaid requests are rejected automatically. After submission, expect an email or SMS confirmation and an intimation letter available for download within 72 hours. Check spam folders for automated messages. Keep both the printed intimation letter and original ID proof on exam day to avoid entry denial, and carry a physical copy of any uploaded domicile or change permission. If you see discrepancies in city name or center address, contact the portal helpline within 48 hours with your acknowledgement number and supporting proof. Follow official correction procedures and document every communication for future reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.